Guys, this is ETA Prime here. I wanted to show you guys how to get the Windows IoT developer preview on your Raspberry Pi 2 without having a PC running Windows 10. You can use Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. I'm on a Windows 7 machine. Turn all the arrow stuff off, as you guys seen in my other videos. I do not need anything flashy. Love the old look of the XP machine. So first up, what you're going to need to do is you will need to download the Windows 10 IoT Raspberry Pi 2 image. You need a Microsoft Connect account. You can sign up for free. All the links will be in the description. So you just download that. It is, let's see how big this guy is. This is it. This is your flash.ffu. So it's 802 megabytes. It downloads at 452 megabytes, and when you unzip it, it goes to 8. Now this is the image that you will be putting on a SD card for your Raspberry Pi 2. Now make sure your Raspberry Pi 2 SD card is formatted to stock. You can do that by downloading SD Formatter and just format it regularly. I am using a Class 10 16 gigabyte micro SD card. After you download this, we're going to need to download the Windows 10 ADK Technical Preview. Now this preview is available for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. I believe it's a cross-platform application that you can install on all three. It takes about, depending on your internet speed, it's 30 minutes to an hour to download. And it installs everything for you. It's super clean, straight from Windows themselves, straight from Microsoft themselves. So there's no malicious malware inside of it or any viruses or anything. Now I believe it's about 4 gigabytes. It downloaded about 30 minutes, installs automatically, very clean, intuitive design. So let's get started with this. So from here you're going to need to open up your Windows Imaging and Configuration Designer. You can go to your Start menu and type in Windows Imaging. I've pulled it from my Start menu and put it in this folder, my Windows ADK folder that I made on my desktop just to show you guys. So what we're going to want to do is open this up. Now I am using a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. My card reader is a USB card reader. It is not a SD card reader that comes on a laptop or a little USB peripheral that you get. This is a USB 2.0 interface with a micro SD card slot slider on it. So I just place my SD card into the USB dongle, plug it into the unit, to my PC, and then I'm ready to go. So I've already formatted my SD card. It's a 16 gigabyte and just back to stock. So what we're going to want to do is go up here after you open up your Windows Imaging and Configuration Designer and go to Deploy, to USB connected device to removable drive. Now depending on which kind of adapter you have to connect your micro SD to your PC, there's two choices. So if one doesn't work, try the other one. Mine is to removable drive. So we need to find the source flash FFU that was located on my desktop in my Windows ADK folder. This is what you downloaded from, this is the image for Windows 10 for Raspberry Pi 2. It's the flash.ffu. Do not rename it, do not change it. So now we have this. We're going to hit next. So this is my mass storage device, my USB device. This is my SD card. Maybe listed as an SD card on yours, depending on what kind of dongle you have to connect it to your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. We're going to hit next. And this here, I'm not exactly sure how long it takes. It's not too bad. So I believe it was under 10 minutes, possibly like 6 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for you guys, and then I will be back in a second to show you the image running on the Raspberry Pi itself. Back here, I just flashed the SD card. This is the Raspberry Pi 2. The Windows 10 IoT install. Now we get, as soon as you boot up, you get this. Okay, so now it boots to the colored windows here. And after this, it's going to go to your blue Windows. There we are. Now we're at Windows 10 IoT Core Insider Preview. So this is not a desktop environment. This is IoT. This is for development of robotics, Wi-Fi hotspots, Wi-Fi transfer spots, stuff like that. So, and it only works, well, I have a Microsoft wireless keyboard, and it does not work with the wireless keyboard as of yet. So you need a wired keyboard, USB. Only other one I have is a PS2, so I can't really interact with the unit. But that is how you install Windows 10 IoT Core Insider Preview on the Raspberry Pi 2 without having Windows 10 installed on a PC or a laptop. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps a lot, and I appreciate it, guys. Have fun. If you build anything with this, let me know what you're working on. Thanks for watching.